Hello, I am Rod's Do-It-Yourself Solutions. This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to flare copper pipes or tubes. And just as briefly, let's go straight in. To cut the pipe for flaring, we must use a pipe cutter. Any other tool can give us a crooked cut. To make sure we get a 90-degree cut, we first carve a slit all the way around the pipe. And then we start tightening the cut till it cuts the pipe completely. And that's it. We remove the burrs from the inside of the pipe, off the edge and off the sides. And with our little finger we can feel if the job has been well done. Now we must anneal the pipe, heating the copper with our torch and covering at least 2 inches from the end, depending on the size of the pipe. It must get completely red hot all around the pipe. Then we let it cool off slowly on a heat-resistant surface. If the pipe has a curve in it, or it is soldered to a fitting, before we start flaring, we must position the threaded nut in the pipe, or we will have to unsolder it to be able to get the nut in. This tool that punches a flare into a pipe with a hammer can easily cause crooked flares. The best tool is this one, and is used as follows. This is a 3/8-inch pipe, and we must place it in the opening for 3/8-inch pipe. However, as it's made in China, it says 1/2-inch pipe. Before tightening the bolts, we must ensure the end of the pipe protrudes at most 1/4 inch above the beveled opening of the tool, not the non-beveled side. Then, first, we tighten the bolt nearest the pipe as best we can, and then we tighten the bolt on the other side. That way we get the best fit without tightening in excess. You mustn't use tools to tighten these bolts, or they can over-tighten and ruin the Chinese threads. Now we install the yoke. This yoke has a pair of feet on this side that must hitch on below the tool, keeping it in place, usually in a diagonal position. First, we ensure the yoke is centered over the pipe. Then we turn the bar, forcing the yoke's cone into the pipe. Opening the pipe and squashing it against the beveled edge of the 3/8-inch opening. We check it's got as far as it can it won't go any further, you can't tighten it anymore, then we remove the yoke. We unscrew the bolts. And we remove the pipe. We should have a perfectly flared cone-shaped pipe. Before we connect the cone-shaped fitting or shut-off valve to our flared pipe, we must anneal the tip of the pipe again, because squashing the copper hardens it. And if we don't anneal it again, it can crack under pressure. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy flaring.